I hope. Ah, there we go. It worked. That took too long. Alright. We're back. Let's do this all over again. Okay. It hurts. Everything hurts. Alright, cool. Let's fix everything. Alright, my point is, let's go back to what we were doing before. Hi. So basically, the problem that we're having is that we can't have 132 buttons. That's what I was trying to do before my computer crashed. So what we may need to do is actually rebuild the UI entirely from scratch, because I need to build like a dynamic system to place those buttons. And if I'm going to use Unity buttons, they look ugly. So we got to make them look better. So that really sucks, because we were using something called the Modern UI Pack. This is an amazing asset that I bought off the store that I use for these tools. However, I completely see why it's not going to work for me in this case, because we just need so many buttons. And if we go on the Nintendo website, wherever the heck I put it, right, I crashed my computer. It isn't open. Let me open it. The Mii Maker. Let's open up the Mii Maker, and we will notice that with the magic of happiness, that like all of their buttons are just basic, right? And I'm over here trying to make 400 animated buttons at the same time in Unity, but also it's going to be a WebGL build, so like, let's be honest here. So what we're going to do is we're not going to restart, but we're going to restart. So we're going to keep this open over here. We're going to make a new project on the desktop. And we're going to call it Mii Maker. It's going to have all of the same things, but we're going to kind of quickly rebuild it before I got to run away and do my responsibilities of stuff. So the goal for today is to get the entire UI done, so that way we can fight for the Mii Maker probably when we're done the Skylanders stuff in the next couple days, because we're ripping all of the Skylanders this weekend. Heck yeah. So this is just me kind of taking a 2-day break from Skylanders before we absolutely destroy my brain by ripping everything, because now that project is underway. Actually, I should probably pull up the GitHub now that I say that. Oh, this is where all my stuff was. Here we go. This is what I want. Yeah, that's where the Mii Maker was. All right, cool. Because we had... Also, this has not been reloaded, because I know I haven't missed days. Yeah, okay. Yesterday was the Mii Maker, but the day before that was the Mii Maker. The day before that was... There we go, models. Because we've got most of the models. We just need to, well, you know, finish it. So we need to make a dynamic system for that. Here we go. So what we can do is kind of build this. We're going to remove the README assets because we don't need them. Okay, we're going to go here, here, here. Scenes. Rename. Main. This we're going to be building for WebGL. Ooh, they changed this. Hooray. Okay, it looks like I don't have WebGL installed. Android build support, Mac build support, WebGL. Install. Hi, how are you? Welcome back. I fixed things. Alright, cool. So they've changed some of this stuff, but it looks pretty normal, so we should be fine. Alright, that's installing. While that's installing, we can go UI, image. Make sure our canvas is being scaled correctly. 1920 by 1080. And of course, this is going to be a 1920. We will route it to the top. We're going to call this the top, the head bar. Header bar. Hi. Header bar. For those of you just popping in, I broke this, so we got to rebuild it slightly. So this is the Mii Maker that we had earlier, but I have to rebuild the UI to be less fancy so we can have 132 buttons. We'll still have all the cool animations and stuff, but we gotta just optimize the heck out of it because it's not gonna be happy with me. But yeah, and the current state of it is we can change heads and stuff. So we are gonna go and finish that header bar. Make this taller slightly. Not that tall. Red. Not that red. Maybe I'll copy the color actually. We are speedrunning top border. Copy the color. E6. There we go. Alright, cool. Do I want to make the command? Yes, sure. Oh, right, because Unity's doing stuff. That's okay. We got this. Alright, cool. So we're going to minimize that again, and we're back. We are then going to go back here, and then to make the white background, what I'm going to do is, because we also want to see the Mii, we're going to make this just a solid white color. Perfect. Then global volume. Yes, main camera, do you have your... Excuse me. Your post-processing is on. Global volume, make sure we are setting this correctly. Yes, yes, yes. Aces. Okay. Good. 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 Looks fantabulous. Then we're going to go ahead and we'll just get a capsule for now. This will be our fake player until we get everything fixed. There we go. Actually, what I may do, let me copy the camera position. That's probably a better thing for me to do. File, copy component. Well, let me paste components between Unity scenes. No, it won't. Alright, cool. Great to know. We'll do this. Boop. And we'll go here. We'll go here, and then of course, here, and then of course, lastly is the camera focus, the focus 29, and then of course we're just going to go ahead and we'll delete the capsule. All right. UI button. We'll delete the text on the text match pro button. We'll make this both 30 by 30. Awesome. Then we're going to want to probably go and grab in the modern UI pack resources, textures, borders, flat, radial, others, flat, 10, yeah, okay, rounded. Here we go. This is what we want. I want to grab maybe like this one. All right. 2D and UI, none, max quality. It's a single sprite. Apply it. And then now our button can use this sprite instead. There we go. And we can make it look nice. Cool. Put it in the header bar. I'm going to do it here. 150, 150. I can't spell. I can't spell number. 100 by 100. That looks better. 15. 25. 20. 20 looks good. Alright. I want to make it slightly wider, so 120. No. Yeah, okay. Alright, so let me go back to here then. Alright, so if I go to the actual top border, we go to hair. Like, I want to see, what is this one? This is rounded, filled. Oh, but it has the Right. So if I go here, right, and I just want to see what I do. No, yeah, it's single. None. That. Apply. Go to button. Go to here and here. With. It stretches. But if I make it multiple. No, yeah, it doesn't like that. Wrap mode. Repeat. No. Pivot center. Yes. Okay. Okay. What is the difference? Sprite 2D and UI, high automatic format, precise algorithm, mutual. It's weird because if I make this wider, it doesn't stretch. Image type sliced. Ah. Image type. Can I do this? Advanced. Now I need to figure this out. Multiple. Apply. No. It's single. But how do I make this work? This image does not have a border. Tiled. That's a first for me. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Not tiled. We don't want tiled. Sliced. All right, how do I PNG? How to slice an image? Unity. How to make UI scalable. UI image scalable. There we go. Sliced image. Sliced image. Create a sprite to represent your background on your panel border. Drag the sprite into your project. Highlight the sprite with the project window. Select the mesh type to full rectangle. Mesh type, full rectangle. Okay, did that. Click by the button. Open the sprite editor. I don't have the sprite editor. We have to install the 2D package. Joy. Coffee. Okay. This is the part that's gonna kill me. Mm, 115. 115, 115, 115. 15. And this is 115. There we go. Cool, we did it. Then we apply it. Go to scene, game. There we go. That looks way better. Yep. And now we can make a slightly wider thing. Okay, so now going back to here, this is 65 by 54. 65 by 54. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. And then we can multiply this. So I think timesing it by 1.5 is the right decision. 1.5. There you go. See? Now we have it. It looks really nice. At least it does compared to some other things. Okay. So now that we have a button, we are also going to add a component, grid layout group, which we will then make. Dang, it's going to reset that, isn't it? $97.5. I'm going to just copy this whole number as a whole. Then we can add that grid layout again. Boop. Boop. There we go. And then spacing 20 on the X. Padding left 20. There we go. The top How thick is this header bar? It's 138. 138 divided by 2 minus 81 divided by 2. There you go. Centered-ish, kind of. There we go. Now it's centered for real. Okay, so then what we can do is make as many buttons as we want. And this won't crash Unity. Okay. Was it annoying? Yes. Did it work? Also yes. Okay, so we have a button. Okay. We're going to create a UI image inside of it. This image will be the rounded fill with the same idea. Actually, what we can do is we can just copy this component. Paste component values. Put it in here. Yeah. There we go. 0. Actually, we can do this. Yeah, there we go. And now if this button is here, we can get rid of this because this is actually going to be the icons. And then now we can turn off the background image. So this is the back image. There we go. Good stuff. Good stuff. Let's get back our sprites folder. We'll put these in here. We'll call it UI. So we can say a little bit organized. Hello there. All right, go back to the old version. Find all of our sprites. Sprites, face selection, hair icons, header icons. Boop, boop. No reason to do all the work again. All right, let me see here. So we did UI. Now, not face selection, not the hair yet, the header icons. Here we go. We could also maybe change the reference. Let's see here. Yeah. It blew up. My my entire all of my USB stuff's died. I think it's because I kept plugging and unplugging the like portals and the other stuffs. Sadly, I'm not going to give out mods today. Sorry. We don't have a lot of people. But yeah, no, the previous stream kind of blew up in my face. So we will try again. So step 1 is the head icon, and we're going to start the head icon by being black. And now we can see that didn't work. I wonder if it's better if the button doesn't exist. Yeah, it's probably better if the button doesn't exist, and then we have back image, and then we have icon, button icon. Here we go. And then we make this the head icon. Then we make it black. There we go. Set native size. Yes. Scale it down to 0.1. There we go. Now we're talking. Okay. That's a great question. I like the hexagon a lot, but I got a better camera. This is actually not the better camera. This is the same camera, but I have a cord and a couple other things coming in, so it's gonna make everything look nicer. I kind of like it. I don't know. I'm just testing stuff out. I can always go back if people don't like it. I think it actually needs to be bigger. Yeah, okay, so let's make this slightly bigger. So 1, 5, 4, 3. Yeah, 3. There we go. And then what we can do is if I go to button, now we can make a bunch of these. Yes, good. And this is performant compared to everything else. Not that Unity UI is for performant, but Motion, the modern UI package, is not performant at all. All right. So then we get to kind of where do I want to end up with this? So we have that icon, but what do I want it to look like? We got to like kind of program the things we didn't have. So it's this. If I hit play, I want to make sure I'm doing this correctly. When you're hovering, it makes it red. Okay, so you, what I'm hearing is that this button, this head icon, if I copy the image, copy component, and I paste it onto this buttons component, and I make it red, it won't do anything. Right. Okay, that sucks. Target graphic. Ooh, wait. Button icon. Normal color. Black. Pink. Highlighted color. Red. Pressed color. Darker red. Selected color. The same as this. Not disabled. Okay, cool. Try again. Did I break it by doing this? Oh. No, it's just not showing up. Back image, button icon. It's doing that. So if I hit play, it shows it down here. What the heck? Whoa, what is happening? It did not like my UI choices there. Interesting. Kind of. I don't know what point of the stream you were last time, but we ended up being able to do this instead. So it's going to take some tweaking with the bones, but this is really close. So we just got to fix the normal maps. We just got to fix normal maps, and then we just got to fix the bones. So normal maps and bones, and then this is pretty much done. It's just, once you fix the normal maps and the bones, that's when this kind of looks how it's supposed to. So we'll lerp between smallest body and biggest body, and that'll fix most of the issues. So we should be pretty good with that. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm surprised this isn't necessarily working. Navigation automatic, on click. Yeah, okay. Target graphic, button icon, image. Yeah. Turn this off? It just doesn't want to exist, maybe? It's weird. If I do like button back image. Hello there, Tyler. Hello, hello, hello. You may notice that this is not the real camera. This is the small webcam because my main camera decided to not have a battery last night. I know why that battery isn't being used, Tyler. The one that we found like somewhere randomly. The good battery that's like not bulged. It doesn't hold a charge at all. No charge. Oh, but that works. Oh wait, I know why. It's because I did this, isn't it? So now if I hit start. Yeah, I slept too. Oh my lord. I still got up early though. Here we go. So this is now. There we go. There we go. That's what it is. Here we go. Oh, you meant that you didn't sleep. Tyler, what did you do? No. 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 Ugh, now these are ugly buttons. Alright, I'm going to go back to the other one, and then maybe we just have to make custom buttons for the hair. I think that's probably what we're going to have to do. Oh, yeah, you probably should take a nap. Oh, I feel bad. Oh, man. No, did you just, like, take it? Oh, did you take it before you came over? Oh, that makes a lot more sense. That makes a lot more sense. Dang. It's not even fair. Scroll bar. Not scroll bar. Delete. Delete. UI. UI. Scroll view. Here we go. We'll do like 3. Yeah. Crazy. I was crazy once. They put me in a room. A rubber room. A room full of rats. The rats made me crazy. Alright, let me see here. Alright. Why don't you... It's being scrolled by scroll that. Neither am I. Okay, so we turned that off, but visibility, auto hide, permanent. There we go. All right, cool. Spacing, 0. Permanent. Auto hide. No, we'll do permanent because I want to see it. All right. Scroll sensitivity, yep, okay. And then what we'll do is we'll make the scroll view taller. Slightly taller. Move it down. Make it taller. Alright, there we go. We're then going to change background to be my super high quality one, because of course I am. Because we have multiple high quality images from the modern UI pack, so we might as well use them. There we go. Then we take this down a whole bunch. There we go, until it looks pretty nice. All right. Oh no, my camera's broken. This is why I want the other one. There we go. This is crazy. All right. Next, viewport. Scroll bar vertical. The scroll bar vertical. Vertical. Yeah, my camera. I've been having camera issues today. I think I just need to. I might need to get another USB thingy hub. Oh, this is the background of it. All right, cool. Scroll bar vertical, and then the sliding area, and then the handle. Here we go, the handle. We'll also scroll up and grab the thingy. Hey, welcome back. We're doing really good. All right, let me see what we got. Here we go. Tyler helped me set up cameras and stuff last night, which was awesome. All right, this isn't going to change much, but at least it's doing something cool. All right, next. So viewport content. Inside of this content menu is where we need to put like 4,000 buttons. So we're going to do UI. Button text mesh pro. This is the part that gets a little worrying though. So do I have the number pasted still? I have at least this one, and then like 97. That's close enough. We go to UI sprite, we find the UI sprite that we like. There we go. We fiddled at 10 times the speed, though. Think about it. It's infinite speed. All right, so then we go into content. Now, inside of content, we're going to have a grid layout group. All right, then we are going to create 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, because it's is 132 dividable by 8. 132 divided by 8. It is not. Is it? What numbers is it divisible by? 6, obviously. 12, obviously. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11? I don't think we're fitting 11 on there. 6. Because I want to make sure that this is 81 by 97. Yeah, we'll probably keep it like this. Okay. And then we'll type times 1.43 times 1.3. Here we go. Spacing 35, 15. Oh, wait, no, we don't want that. What we can do is we can say the start corner is there, but it's upper center. There we go. Then we go from the top 25. No, 15. No, 15. 20. There, we go 20. Then we go all these buttons, and we just make the thing slightly more curved. We're also going to make these slightly smaller. 0.89. Okay, make them a little bit less spaced out. Okay, and then I want to try. Oh wait, and then also constraint fixed column count 6. Now we gotta try and see if this is gonna crash. So because earlier it crashed when I did this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 11 rows times 6. Hold on. $22. I lied to you. Okay. Okay. I have to do this 21 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. I'm being an idiot. I can't even count correctly. Alright, cool. Start the game. Does this crash? It crashed earlier. That's what made the stream end last time. Okay, good. Okay. We're good. We can now actually access everything. That's funny. Oh no. I'm so sorry. Alright, let me see here. So we have a problem with the scroll bar. So, scroll bar vertical. Normal color, probably like a grayer type color. Okay. Highlighted color, a little bit more gray. There we go. Pressed color, even more gray. Alright, cool. Now, visualize. Excuse me, I am so sorry. Blech. Interesting. So it won't let me scroll, but clearly it can. So we know the scrolling is going to work. I just got to fix the scrolling. So, let's see. Number of steps, size, value, bottom to top. Top to bottom. Okay. Sure. I think we got to go back into the other one. A scroll view. Here we go. Permanent. Let me see what that does. Like, it's starting to work. It just doesn't have the will to finish it. Let me see here. So if we go back into here, we're going to go and find that we have elastic, horizontal. Okay, cool. Awesome. We're doing awesome. Don't care about that. Go back to viewport. Okay, you don't have any settings. Content, don't have any settings. But we go here, and we can kind of start to figure out where that's going to go. Let me see. Value. Number of steps. Bottom of top. Does it need, like... Maybe I should Google this and see what it does. So, like, Unity scroll bar. Unity scroll view. Here we go. Alright, I'm cheating. Oh, okay. Yes, Tyler, and also no. So the Mii Maker I decided to put on the GitHub, but that also means that I am now on my desktop straight up. So that's very nice. But yeah, no, my stream crashed. I think it was because it was using so much processing power, not necessarily because of other stuff. And then also at the same time, I broke all the USBs on my device, so I was like, you know what, I might as well just restart the stream and spend some time fixing some stuff. Just tell me what I need to do. Okay. 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 Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh. Okay. Sure. Okay. So we already have that. But mine doesn't work. Panel. Okay. Elastic. Yes, we're elastic. 0.1. Yeah, okay. Yeah, everything here is the same. It should work. There's no reason why it shouldn't. Yeah, that's true. Unity's being weird. But to be fair, the stream is still technically running. I forced shut down the computer. It froze so much that I couldn't. I think everything just started dying. Let me see here. The hearts. All right. I'm gonna turn on horizontal and just see what happens. Okay. And then if I turn off, maybe I like inertia. Unrestricted. What does that mean? Oh, so it works, is what we're saying. Oh, but it'll also, like, not. Okay, I see. Okay, cool. Okay. So we need it to have elasticity. Sure. But it won't stick. I'm going to just look up scroll view not working. Unity scroll view not working. Wait a second, I know why. Is it because I have the grid layout group on? It isn't. But worth a try. Nah. I completely crashed a whole computer. I destroyed a stream. I ruined my chances of having any more than like 3 viewers today because I had to have my push notifications go out 3 times. How's your content? It doesn't look like you have anything under the right now. The scroll bars only work when there's something to scroll, edit, not just something, but in the content, more content than would fit the work. Okay, yeah. So maybe it just wants me to have an image that's really big. UI image. Center that. Height. Just height. All the height. Give me the height. Give me the height. Nothing. Nothing at all. Scroll bar vertical. I just don't understand. Size. I think a Doom clone could definitely work on the Wii U. It's not that crazy. We want top to bottom. And then navigation, automatic, yep. I think a Doom clone is just really easy because Doom can run on like anything. So making a Doom clone is not that crazy either. Number of steps, sure. Let's make it like 11. I just want to see what it does. Yeah, like it doesn't change this. But why? Scroll view. Let's copy and paste the scroll view. I'm going to get rid of the first one. This second one, we're going to just get rid of a bunch of the buttons because I just can't see. I just want to see why. Yeah. Scroll view slice. Like, why don't you scroll? There's Doom ports for fridges. Of course there's Doom ports for fridges. This is really annoying me that I can't get this to work. I'm really annoyed. This makes me question myself. You know what it could be? Let me reload the scene. No, but it like I like that this is somewhat working though. So this is better than it was. You got your face selection. I still hate the fact that I can't have that many hair buttons. It's really annoying me actually. Like every one of these other menus is gonna have the nice buttons, and then hair is gonna be like ugly. So, or maybe I can Google. That might be a better solution. Modern UI pack lagging. Here we go. FAQs. Let's see what we got here. Yes. Not that. Yeah. I'm going to do what's called a pro gamer move, and I'm going to try and do something weird. I'm going to go up here. I got to fix this. What we're going to try and do is basically, maybe I can use the modern UI pack buttons, but we have to be like culling them, kind of like you can cull geometry in a video game. Maybe I can turn the buttons off if you can't see them, and that way I can at least, you know, try and have a semblance of it looking correct. But I gotta fix something on the live stream because I broke something. I broke a thingy again. Joy. Alright, there we go. We fixed that. Awesome. Back to here. Again, I think here's what we're going to do. We're going to copy and paste the scroll view, turn off this first one, just so we can save it, just in case if I break it, because I probably will break it. Scroll bar, viewport, content. In content, we'll get rid of all of these buttons. I will do the illegal and find a button. Paste into here. Exactly. Like it's crazy. It's stupid to have to do, but it might work. Because I really like these buttons, and I don't want to get rid of them. You know? Alright, so, but, like, I'm not going to do it as much because I don't want to crash it, but, and then I also, right, I need the grid layout group, don't I? Yeah. Do I have one in here? Can I just steal one of the grid layout groups from in here? Actually, I should probably just copy one of these entirely and paste it into content. We'll copy the face one. Paste into here, yes. We're going to get rid of the grid layout group. Delete this so I can paste it again. Paste as grid transform. There we go. This is then going to be unzeroed. 10. No, negative 10. Negative 25. Okay. Turn on the grid layout group for this. It is forced to 6, right? Yes, it is. And then it's middle, upper center. Here we go. Okay. Paste it again. We're already getting a little laggy. This is the problem. Yeah. Alright, the buttons are a little broken. I think I haven't even broken... Nope, I have. So the scroll... Yeah, the scroll window is just broken entirely. I'm going to turn off the grid layout group real quick. So this is broken. There's no other way around it. It just is broken. No matter how you say it. Why? Because I can make a new one and it still is broken. Unity, scroll view, not scrolling. The view before is not referencing a viewport object. I believe it should. My working setup has. Content. What if I did it as this? And then, no. You know, it's content, and then the viewport is the viewport. Like, just to add more buttons to the mix. Like, this looks great. It's just not gonna let me scroll. I don't understand. Okay, then, wait. Let's go into the modern UI pack. There's demos. Let's go into the demo and see if they have anything for this. They have it. It's right here. All right. Here's a scroll bar. Awesome. Cool. Canvas. Event system. Background. Windows. Button. Content. And a scroll bar. Copy. Go into the main scene that we have. Okay. Canvas. Menu holder. Hair menu. Delete scroll view. Heck, we'll even delete this one. Then we'll paste as a child. Keep world transform. Good. Then content. No, I'll do this. Scroll bar. There we go. There we go. Okay. Then this content menu can be width shrunk. There we go. There we go. We shrink it. We can make it a little taller and lower it. There we go. And then inside of this content, we delete it. And inside of this is then where we're going to put, not this, but the face menu. Blush selector, pay special as world transform. Okay. Middle center, yes. Middle center. Maybe it's content instead of list. Alright. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know why it's not exactly doing the thing I want. There we go. And then we can now turn back on the grid layout. And then center it. But not center it. Center at the top. There you go. Now we can make 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we'll just make sure that we are upper left, upper center. There you go. So now we can go back up to here. Delete. All right. Cool. Now, all we got to do is we probably should move this down a little. Also, the scroll bar should probably move down a little as well. So, looking here, the top and the bottom. All right, I just want to see. I don't think there's anything to scroll, obviously. Yeah, okay. Interesting. Oh, you know what? There we go. We'll put that here. Copy component. Paste component values. And now 2, 3, 4, 5 would just go. Save, hit play. It ain't working. But I'm sure. There we go. Wait, I think I did it. Remove the component. Remove the component. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. Viewport is this. No. It is this. I want to die me. I want die me. Oh no. Yes, we could. We could. That'd be cool. Scrolling! We have scrolling! Oh my goodness, that took so long. Oh no. Okay, cool. So, sorry, I got distracted. Oh man. Finally. Okay. Do I know the one? I don't. We're Googling. I want die me. Well, I guess we're gonna make this, huh? We should be able to. We have the same pieces, so I don't see why not. It'll be the mascot, the default me, if you will. It's so crazy. Button index. Okay, yeah, but we don't need that right now. We need to go and figure out what the heck is happening. Mansions. List. Brick transform. Sure. No. Content's this. There we go. It did it. Shadow should be moved down massively. Oh, I see. It's going to do this for me, isn't it, every time? Okay. Okay. Okay, I see. I see. I see. We're going to start. We're going to do top to bottom. Bottom to top. Why is this so weird? We start at 1. And then this needs to move up, but it won't. Okay. Does that mean all of this needs to move up? Probably also means I need to turn the grid layout off. And then move all of this up. I think that's what fixes it. Close. We're real close. We're getting real close. I hate how this works. Why is it reversed? Ugh, okay. Try again. Yeah, it's definitely reversed for some reason. I hate how that works. Oh, it hurts me so much. Vertical. Wrap around. No, we don't necessarily need to wrap around. Well, what if we did wrap around? Yeah, but you know, you get what you get. I like the animations, and I think that's why I want to keep it. It really does help a lot to have the animations. It makes it look really nice. Okay, so we don't... Sure, okay. The problem that I'm having here is that, like, it just does not care. You gotta go the other way. Like, it's almost like I can't... It's almost like I couldn't touch it. Yeah, speaking of... Oh, I use Unity. Basic Unity problems like that. Alright, there you go. It's fixed. That's annoying. Alright, so then we're going to write a script to handle making all the buttons, because of course we are, because I'm not going to place 132 buttons manually. Oh boy, okay. I gotta wake up. Did not sleep too well. Alright. I did sleep. Just not for very long. Lazy? What? What? Oh, here it is. Here's my script. Yeah, I wrote this yesterday. Perfect. There we go. So there's... Nope. We're going to put this in here. Turn this off for now. The button prefab is going to be this one. All of my hair objects, which are down here. I put them in textures. I probably put them in textures, didn't I? Hair icons. Here we go. Ripped everyone from the website, and then we got to make sure that the one where you are... Which one's the default one? I don't think it specifies too hard. Edit. Imagine automating something you could do by hand. My lord, I'm gonna die. Alright, so this one here, the spiky one. I hate that it's not the first one in the list. But it may not matter in the end, because I realize I'm gonna have to manually connect each of these together. So, yeah, it's not gonna be here. I mean, it will be, but I just don't know where it is. Alright, that's fine. So, what we'll then do is we should be able to run the script now. I think it has everything it needs. Run. And it's not crashing. That's more impressive. Okay, cool. So one little issue I'm noticing. It's setting... Ah, there we go. Cool. So we have to manually press them. I hope that makes it slightly better. All right, so what we're gonna do is we'll copy all of the buttons, copy them, unstart the game, paste keep world transform, turn on the grid layout, and then of course we've got to scroll up, which it won't let me do because of course it won't. Why would it let me scroll up while I'm holding something? No, we've got to do this stupid little thingy. There we go. Red. And this one is going to have this hair asset. And this one is 1.34. That's also 1.34. The scale has a scale of 8.34. Why? Sure. Wait. Would I rather it be that? No, I think we're fine. Yeah, it's just being weird. Okay. So we grab all of these. Oh, wait. This also needs to be done, doesn't it? There we go. That's why it looked weird. Okay. So then we got to move the shadow down. This has got to go down, 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 down. All right. We select all of these now. We go into scene. We move them. Ooh. Okay. Turn off the grid layout group. We're not supposed to have it. It's very bad for your health. Okay. Move this up. Okay. All of these are going to have the same scale of 5. Move it down a little. Save. Okay. Good. Then, in the face blush selector, which we're going to rename to be hair selector. Alright, we are then going to remove this, and we're going to want to go to scripts and find a script called hair selector. There we go. And then we will do the face menu. Yep. And then we're going to go to hair selector. Paste in here. We do have buttons. We have the selector. We have the changer. Awesome. Good stuff. Public switch part. Yes. Target index anchored. Yes, this is good. This is good. This is what we want. And then changer.change. We are going to comment out changer.change for now because we don't have the hair. Well, we have them, but we don't have that in Unity yet. So then now back into the wonderful, wonderful world of Unity that we all know and love without, and there's no flaws. There's no exploits at all. All right, cool. In here, we are going to lock it and do the most dangerous thing you can do, which is drag 1,000 buttons. We can drag the selector in here, and the changer doesn't exist. That's fine. Ooh, Unity custom devices? Heck yeah. I love that stuff. Portal time. It's portal time. It's portaling time. Start? Question mark? It's not gonna do it, is it? Right, because every single button needs to be set up with the thing. So, all of these buttons... Zoom out, please. Thank you. Unlock. All of these buttons have on hair selector events. That'd be really cool. I do want to get back into that, but I've been on this, like, ripping Skylanders thing for so long now that I really want to get the model ripping done. But, man, that'd be amazing to just be able to have the portal work. But I do also understand that Unity is bad. Unity bad. So, hair selector.switch part. Is it possible in the modern UI pack... Modern UI pack. I want the docs, please. Can I just change this with a script as well? Because I'm a little lazy and I don't want to type in 132 index numbers. Interactable, sure. Button sounds, double click, on click, add listener, test function. Okay, maybe. No. Yeah, no, the docs are pretty bad. I like Unity. I have a love-hate relationship with Unity right now because I love it for what it does, and I hate it because it has all the quirks that make it. But I've done all my stuff in it, so like, I mean, obviously I love it to some degree. Speaking of loving it to some degree, on click, this is the thing. You add a listener. I guess what I could do is like add a listener with. So yeah, let's do that. Let's go into here on the. Where is the script I wrote? That's fair. That is totally fair. All right, so the hair button script, right? We can kind of get rid of this now. But what we're going to do is we're going to repurpose it to do a little bit something different. So, public game object list buttons. And in the buttons, so for each, no, for, yeah, we'll do this correctly. Int I. Yeah, we'll do this correctly. And then, buttons in I, not set active, but we'll .get component button manager dot. If we go back to the docs, it says my button is a button manager. We can say on click, and we're gonna find what's inside of on click. So on click dot. I don't think I get to do this, so we're going to have to do the whole adding a function. And the function will be public hair selector. Selector, we don't want multiple of them. Selector dot switch part. Cannot convert method group. Are you saying that because of this? And I say, like, what if I did this for 2 seconds? That's annoying. Ah, there we go. Okay. I can't do that either. Dang it. So, how do I set that number, though? Because I can add a listener, but I can't do it like that. UI pack, add listener. Wow. Listener. I can't even spell it. Whatever. With input variable. Wow, I am an idiot today, huh? See here. View fields on maps. Couldn't the listener get some info on its caller? Could it? I actually don't know. Maybe we have to rewrite the code a little bit to be like get the name of the object you're on. Right? So maybe we do call it. Well, no, because the selector is a single object. So whenever you call switch part, you don't get info on its caller. I see what you mean. That's a good point. I don't know. Let me see. Let's so add listener info on caller. That's JavaScript. Unity. Thank you. Add listener confusion. Yes, I have some confusion as well. Some function. Ooh, here we go. This, potentially. I know they had an issue, but I've never listened. Selector dot switch part on I. Wait, did you get good docs, or does that mean you got bad docs? Because I can go either way. All right, let's turn on hair buttons again. I'm gonna lock this. We've got to drag all the buttons in again. Boop. 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 All right. With the magic of magic. Index was outside of the bounds of the array. Index was outside of the bounds of the array. Oh, bad. Ugh. That's weird. 132. What number are you trying to call? It sucks that it's bad docs, though. So the hair selector runs once. Buttons I, add listener. Selector switch part at I. I feel like this is just adding the same listener to like everything. Like this hasn't solved my issue. Do you have a listener now? Like what is in you? You have a listener of 0. Okay. I'm going to go to all of you. Switch parts. Hair selector. Yeah, hair selector. Hair selector. I'm at the point where I may just manually type in all of the numbers. How are you guys doing today? You guys like manually typing in all of the numbers? No, that's been a huge issue for me. Is that I feel like they don't actually document their stuff. And I think we've talked about this a while ago, but when I was doing Portal stuff with Unity, it like when I looked at like the HID devices in Unity with the universal input system, the new input system, this is like done by like one person, right? Like this isn't being like upkept correctly. Not I don't necessarily know, but I don't think this has changed in like forever. Really? Well, that sucks. What the heck? So like this is where I get really iffy because I know you can do anything with programming, but I think this is where I was before because I originally started with your code and the like DLL files, and that works. And then I tried to do it with the input system, and that works, but it doesn't. I feel like I just couldn't get it to work fully, and I think you or the others said that TextHead, does he have something working? Because I haven't found code on it anywhere, and I don't think he posts the code. But I don't know. Okay, at least it's not erroring out anymore when I click the buttons. So yeah, I think the solution is gonna be for me to manually type in all of those. 2, 3. Let me scroll down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. All right. Let me move my microphone. Sure. Discord. Do you want me to get off stream or you want me to be on the stream? I'm fine with either. I probably should be going to school in a couple minutes anyway, actually. Let me skip that for now. Ooh. Oh, okay. Cool. Boop. Boop. Call. Cool. Hi. Alright, I'm gonna max the volume. Can you speak again? I just want to try something. I just want to see if it goes through.
Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
I think it works. I hope it doesn't absolutely destroy things. Hi, how you doing? It's been a while.
Hi, yeah. I'm good. It's been a while, yeah. So, the issue with Unity is that they follow the HID spec.
They follow it or they don't?
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah, they do.
Oh, and that's bad for us.
The HID spec is built on top of the USB specification.
Okay.
The HID spec has a separate type of command used to normally interact with the device, which is what Unity sends, and also what is used for normally the music on a portal. However,
okay,
every data that's not music is being sent over a USB control transfer.
Okay.
Unity doesn't seem to support that. However, I believe Text had got that working, but they sadly left the server again.
Okay, so he leaves the
So,
server for like multiple times
personal
after.
reasons.
Yeah,
That's not
that makes
something I'm gonna
sense.
get into now.
That's fair. Um, so it's hard to contact him at times. That's fine.
Yes, I just sent them a friend request, hoping they'll accept,
Okay. Um,
and I'll see if I can ask them about it if they do.
that's fair. I was just wondering because like if he did get it to work, if they did get it to work, I'm interested because I feel like I got stuck trying to send and receive commands fully.
Yeah,
Um,
I remember we wrote that test code for it to see which four CCs were valid.
yeah, and yeah, looping over what is it
That's still the
every
latest code.
yeah,
Yeah,
and didn't we find out that it was the ones that we knew of before? It just wasn't the right transfer protocol. Wait, no, that
yeah,
was the
that's what I'm
transfer.
talking about.
Right.
That's the whole
Sorry,
issue.
it's been a long time.
Oh, hey, no problem. But
um,
it's just
okay.
so annoying that it just doesn't want to work like it should, or like we want it to. It's just I'm pretty sure the developer of the new of the custom input devices left like 2 years ago.
Jeez.
Because whenever when you published your latest video about it, I remember creating a forum post and getting something in that direction of a reaction.
Oh. Oh yeah, you did make a forum post.
Yeah,
I'm like remembering things now. I'm getting
yeah.
flashbacks. I've been so all over with school and work. Um,
Uh, I I'm starting university next week,
ooh, good luck, have fun,
so
don't die.
it's nah. Is that last one requirement?
Well, I want it to be. For you, it
You need
is.
my help, yeah.
Yeah. Well, not even then. Just like be alive, stay
Yeah,
alive,
no, I know.
even if you're
I'm
just
just
doing
kidding.
stuff. All right. So
Uh,
Nintendo recently.
I got a message from TextHead,
Oh,
so I'll see if in the coming days if I can get some information out of them.
okay.
If they want to share.
Yeah, because I know
Uh,
they have a GitHub, and I know that it doesn't. Well, actually, I have not checked it in a
yeah,
while.
they don't really publish things on there.
Yeah,
They did, but they took it all offline, I believe.
interesting. Okay,
I don't remember the exact.
that's fair though.
I'll see if I can get something usable because I'd really love to get it to work. I mean,
Yeah.
your original version was basically just copy paste of my code, but whatever.
Yes, but like that's how I try and learn things. Is like I never
Yeah,
worked with
same.
USBs, and I'm like, how do I put this in Unity for game? And it just like obviously it didn't work too well, but like
No, because it's not meant to be ran in frame time.
yeah, and then once we got that converted, it started to work enough where I could get a Skylander in or like write to it, because I was able to make custom NFCs with it without using the stupid like white one from Amazon.
Nah, the
But
RC122U. Yeah.
yeah, let me see here. I think.
And
Oh, sorry.
I
Yeah.
remember on the current version, the swap force works, right? It's just that every other portal doesn't.
Yeah. No. Yes, you're right. Um,
Yeah.
and that was even weirder for me. But I believe, and I think we kept going back to this, is that if we got the transfer protocol correct, it would just
It should work,
work.
yeah. Because the protocol is correct. We know that because it works on the swap force one.
Yeah. Oh
Which
man.
is the annoying part.
See, that
Because
just makes
why
me
is there
so angry.
one portal that doesn't work that works on different versions than the other? Because the Swapforce portal should also work with the normal protocol,
Yep.
which I can't verify because I don't own a Swapforce portal.
Oh, okay.
That's the only one I don't own.
That's interesting, actually. But I did find some interesting documentation on the Nintendo developer website, so not necessarily fully public, but where the Wii U, the USB protocol is just like you get to do whatever the heck you want with it.
Yeah,
Um, so I was planning on if let's say text had well this is in general I want to do this anyway, but let's say we don't get Unity code that's working with the PC. I was planning on trying to make the Wii U like you know how I make games on the Wii U. I want to try and make the
yeah.
USB protocol for the Wii U
Oh
Unity
God.
stuff because it's just
It
unmonitored
sounds like a
USB.
nightmare.
Yeah, I think it will be too, but I mean,
But it's fun.
yeah, exactly. It's it gives me something to do.
Yeah.
Actually, if I type in USB in the search menu, nothing comes up. Awesome. That's exactly what I want to see. I'll find it one day. But thank you so much for helping with all the different stuffs over time and now.
Yeah, no problem. Also, my name is pronounced Marijn.
Marine?
Marijn.
Marine.
Yeah, it's not sounds you use, so
Marine.
it's not weird that you pronounce it
Okay.
kind of off.
I'm so
I'm used
sorry.
to it.
Uh,
Even people in my own language sometimes mispronounce it because there are a lot of similar sounding versions like Martijn, which just adds a T, or
oh.
Marijn.
Okay.
So
Well, now
I
I have
never,
this stream to reference every
yeah.
time I have to say your name in a video.
I also send an audio file,
That is true. Thank you. I
right?
did listen to it like 20 times. I'm practicing.
Yeah.
I need to just learn your language, period.
No, don't, please don't.
You're like, please
It's a
don't, please
shitty
don't.
language.
Oh
Even I
no.
don't like it.
Oh man. No, but yeah, I love doing the Skylander stuff. I just getting the 3D models now has been amazing, and getting the 3ds Max plugin to like finally work with Skylanders.
Yeah.
Uh,
It's funny if you get in the right communities regarding Skylanders development, you get amazing people. However,
yeah.
if you get the wrong corner, you get death threats.
Yeah.
You've probably not seen all the shit that has gone down in the Skylanders reverse engineering Discord, but some shit has gone down there because they came from other places.
Oh, that doesn't sound
Yeah.
fun at all.
No.
Oof. I'm thinking about it. Like, what is the drama more around? Like, just people not being nice, or like sharing, or is it just like,
Uh, yes, and people like Skylanders, you're quite young if you've played Skylanders, most people.
yeah?
Some people seem to never have gotten past that age, like mentally.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Like
Okay.
you got the ones that grew up on Skylanders, matured, and then started looking back at it and reverse engineering.
And
Uh,
then yeah,
and then you got the ones that played, just got stuck somehow, and then came back to it, thinking they're older and wiser.
interesting. Yeah, that's I see how that becomes like a stacking problem where it's just more and more people. And I see why people didn't want me to share the Discord originally.
Yeah, that was mostly in the protection of our
Yeah.
sacred place.
Oh boy.
Yeah,
But I definitely want to
you're
get
great.
Hmm?
Also, I never said this. Your content is what I wanted to make when
Oh,
I was trying to make content, but I just realized it's not really my thing. I'm maybe gonna coming back to it one day.
okay.
But your content is just great. It's educational but entertaining. It's
I appreciate it. Thank you. That's what I'm trying to do. I
yeah.
I just had to like I got like internships and stuff. So I left my job and I have so much more time to like do this now. Like I just got
Mm.
like I have this green screen, but like I just set it up and did all the things and like I'm going to try and do this more. It wouldn't be full time, but it'd be like 3 or 4 times as much as I've been doing it now. Like even this is not normal. Like I'm about to leave for school in a bit, but like
Eh,
my schedule's going to be shuffled in the next 2 weeks to the point where I get to like do this every day, coding for either Skylanders or personal projects or whatever.
yeah.
So if you want me to do anything, yell at me and I can do it for you. Or if you want animations for your website, because there's some awesome stuff. Like I know we talked before about how I did animations in the first video, like
Yeah.
what, a year and a half ago.
Oh, I created my own things for that from
You did?
Skylanders. Reverse engineering Skylanders was my final project in high school because you have to do a big research project.
Yeah,
I chose reverse engineering Skylanders,
of
and
course.
for the presentation, I made some animations about the data layout.
Oh heck yeah. Yeah, I want to make an updated video. It might even just be a rehash of the first one, but really talk to you and a couple other people and try and get the Unity portal to work.
Yeah.
And it may be the most
Feel free to contact me
work.
whenever. I'm
Trust me, you guys
pretty
have been amazing.
always
I don't know
online.
why I forgot, but like in the last 3 weeks, I've talked to a lot of you people. I've been in a couple of different Skylanders servers now,
Yeah.
and
Winner, Math,
yep, Math's been amazing. He's helped me with the 3DS
Nefarious.
Max thing, and oh my
Yeah.
lord,
I haven't really had too much contact with Math. They're mostly on the extracting side of things, which is not really my area.
mm,
But they're great.
yeah,
Nefarious Tech Sport, of
oh
course.
yeah, and like
Winner.
now that I kind of know how to use it better,
Yeah.
I feel better about it. But like now, like I'm gonna try and release that Skylanders 3DS Max plugin, so I got to make sure that's working for people because it's so broken. It works, but it's so broken. Oh my lord.
It works, but does it?
No, yeah, like this weekend, my goal is like to spend like 12 hours extracting every Skylander from like Spyro's Adventure with the animations and put them on a GitHub repo.
Wow.
Because I know the models resource takes a long time to upload things.
Yeah.
So I want to have one repo with every Skylander model.
I'm now gonna have a like 2 hour commute twice a day, five
Ooh,
days a week. So I'm gonna see how I'm gonna spend. I'm starting computer science study, so I'm gonna be like way ahead of the curve at
okay.
the start at least.
No,
I'm
yeah.
gonna see how I'm gonna spend that time reverse engineering, working on some projects. Sadly, can't really take a portal with me in the train. That'd be weird.
I see how that is not the best
But
socially.
like creating animations or something, I can't just do. I'm
Yeah.
sitting alone behind a amazing new laptop, so
Heck yeah. Oh
probably
yeah, you
gonna do
did get that
something with
laptop.
that.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, it was dead on arrival, the
I
first one.
heard. Yeah. Did you get a new one? Is it all like working now?
Yes, it's
Okay.
amazing.
Whew.
Battery life, like it went down 3% on my train ride yesterday.
That's amazing. Heck yeah.
Yeah,
All right. Cool. No, yeah, but it's so
yeah,
amazing that you are like the source for things. Like you're the
yeah.
source for Skylanders, like on like making it a game or making anything.
Yeah, and always happy to help. I love this game. It's what got me into programming in the first place.
Yeah.
Uh, I when I like the first Skylanders game released when I was born, I believe 2006.
Mm. It was
Uh,
what was it? It was like what 2011, but like that's the perfect age for you. I was born in 2004, so
uh,
I'm not too far behind
yeah,
you.
2011. Yeah, the Wii released in 2006. That was
Mm.
it.
But like you
Uh,
had it all set up for when you were perfectly the right age to play that game.
yeah, and I initially played. The first game I played was Giants because when you're 5, that's a little bit too young.
Mm-hmm.
So I started with Giants, and uh, my one of my favorite quotes is by Arthur C. Clarke. It's what I start my project with. Uh, Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic, and that's what Skylanders felt like,
Yeah.
and that's what got me interested in how does this work? Why does this work? Uh,
Oh,
and so, like a year ago, I finally came full circle. I knew how it worked.
that is amazing. Like that's
Yeah,
exactly how I think programming should be.
yeah,
I do have a
it's
question for you.
yeah. Go ahead.
Did Simu just released a version of it that emulates the portal, right?
Uh, Possibly.
I know, like I haven't been keeping up with things perfectly, but I think there were still issues. But I was just surprised. Why can't we just use that for the USB thing, or is it is you? No, no, I'm right. No, I'm sorry. I'm still remembering. We had a USB thing. It's not the portal problem. It's we don't have the USB
It's
transfer protocol.
a problem with the portal.
Hmm.
Emulate. We could emulate, but that's not the idea of your project.
You're right. You're right.
Oh
Okay.
wait, like the USB interface layer.
Hmm.
Uh, I get what you mean. We can't use that because it's specific for uh, CMU and the interaction with the Wii U.
No, you're right. You're right. You're right. I see.
So that's different layer than it would be on Windows, on just normal Unity, I believe. I mean,
Okay. No, I
because there
see.
are a
You're
lot of
right.
things in there that don't. Uh,
Hmm. Damn.
And
Okay.
also, we had a perfectly functioning layer. You just wanted to use something else.
Hey, hey, hey. I wanted to get
No,
multiple portals to
I
work because
get
I
it.
wanted to do like
Yeah,
Dungeons and Dragons. But then I heard TextHead had multiple portals somewhere.
yeah. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna definitely hit them up, see if they are willing to share that because I am gonna explain the context to them because I don't feel it's fair to just ask, hey, did you ever get that working and how without telling them why because then it's just like stealing.
No, I get it. I get it.
And Texas is uh, an amazing person with who I don't want to keep away from this community because they're already here like 2 weeks a year.
No, yeah. I've heard that they've done amazing things.
Yeah,
So.
they're cool.
Yeah, I mean, worst case scenario, after the next 2 or 3 weeks of me finishing the model extraction stuffs, I'm probably going to go back to the portal stuff. Um,
Yeah, really interested what you want to do with the D&D part of it because you said you
yeah.
want to do something with that.
So, you know how, like, the Skylanders is a 1 kilobyte of, obviously, the thing, right?
Yeah.
Of the chips. I have a lot of those blank cards, and I wanted to
Oh, yeah.
serialize a D&D sheet into a 1 kilobyte as like an
Oh,
ultra storage method of like, can I fit a character sheet in 1 kilobyte? Then, because I'm
uh,
gonna be honest with you, do I really need to like not like worry about corruption? So I'll like not follow the Skylanders protocol. I'll just use the portal base, and then write the custom 1 kilobyte because you can do that. Um,
keep in mind that it's more like, give me a second to calculate it. It's more like 720 bytes
okay, I was
because you have
doing
the
yeah
sectors at the end
okay
of every sector, and the first one uh, you can't write to the first line. You could write to the second and third, but you might just want to skip that whole sector.
that's fair. Okay, my main thing that I wanted to do was make like a chart, and I kind of did all of that, and it's really just like 15 floats and integers each, and like kind of doing like the sky, like, you know, the Skylanders upgrades, how it's like 2 bytes.
Yeah,
I want to do something like that because there's only like 10 classes in D&D, and there's basically the same number of upgrades, so it shouldn't be that bad, but
yeah.
I can see how it's still gonna be like an issue to like
Oh, by the
yeah
way, if you ever want to dump figures and don't want to use the horrible MyFair Windows tools,
yeah.
uh, there exists a cool thing called Skylanders Toolkit, which for the last year has had a project called ACR122U interface, which I just never told anyone about. But
Really?
it's its only purpose is dumping cards.
Is it this one? I don't know. Or do you still have my stream up? I may just screenshot it.
Yeah, but I have it muted.
No, you're good. I'm just gonna screenshot and send it
And
into the
it's
Discord.
way behind.
Here we go. Is it this?
Oh God, no.
No. Holy crap. Okay.
No, it's the one you totally plagiarized. I sent you the
Oh, it's
link.
yours.
Yeah, it's mine.
I'm so
I
sorry.
just never
I'm not
told
listening
anyone I
correctly.
wrote that. No problem. I never told anybody I wrote it. I don't know why, I just didn't.
Oh. Wait, I did plagiarize this. This is what I
Yeah, I
used.
know.
That's
I
probably
know.
why I could just write to the cards without issues, is I was just taking your
Uh,
Skylanders thing. Okay, cool.
no, I don't think you used ACR122U interface.
Did I not? Well, I did something and it made the cards do the D&D thing.
Uh,
I was able to do it. That's why it's like I still wanted. That's why I wanted multiple portals because
no.
I proved I could write a D&D character sheet to a card and it worked.
That was probably just using MyFair Windows tools
But I did it in Unity. It was using
in
Unity.
Unity.
Yeah, so
Oh,
I typed it
just
in the name and I
yeah,
serialized the title into, and I was able to
yeah.
read it
Okay.
back with like
Yeah, that
different
was just
cards.
using my code. Yeah.
So I don't
Uh,
know. I have to go find it
that
because
was
it's not on
that was
GitHub.
using the portal interface. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was indeed my code. What I'm talking about, if you want to do it just through the uh,
Oh, I see.
NFC reader on Amazon,
Oh,
that's
I
the
see. I
interface.
see.
I
So
don't know if
sorry.
you own that one.
I misunderstood. I do own it. It's in a
Hey, no
bin
problem.
back there. So sorry.
Yeah, I wrote a, but that's only for dumping. I never coded writing because
Oh, I see.
I've never written to one of my figures because I just want to keep them as is. I have a bunch of cards and I just use that janky My Fair Windows Tools program,
Yeah.
which is truly a nightmare to work with.
It
I really
is.
gotta add writing to ACR 122U interface, but I just don't wanna
Yeah. That's yeah.
because I need to do some janky shit because I need to unlock the UUID, right?
Yes. No. I'm no. You. I'm. I still.
Because they're magic cards.
Yeah. You're right. I'm still remembering, but you're right. You're right. There's something that like that sounds familiar.
Yeah, the first row is always right blocked because that's manufacturer data, including the UUID.
Yeah.
Uh, the second row is what identifies which figure it is. The third row is empty, is no basically empty or
Mm.
useless. But that whole first sector is just right blocked, and you need a magic card, and those need to receive a certain set of bits to be unlocked. And I don't want to
Okay.
write that because it's a nightmare.
It's like why?
I already had to learn the proprietary protocol for that NFC reader. It's not a great protocol, or at least
Mm.
not a protocol I like.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah, like, you know, this is how I communicate with it.
So I just look at me for. Let's see. Oh wow. Okay.
It's basically sending Skylanders commands, but differently.
Yeah. Wait. I see. Okay. Interesting. Okay. You could write a textbook about this stuff. This is crazy.
Yeah,
Oh man.
it's all
That is.
so complicated, so needlessly complicated sometimes it feels like.
I'm going to attempt to open up my old the Vortex engine, which is the horriblest name I've ever
Oh,
created.
uh, if you start it up now, you might want to revert back to the not the latest, but the one before, because the latest is still the cracker, trying to
Oh,
crack which uh, for CC to use.
you're right. You're right. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to close this and re-download my GitHub repo.
You can just reset to one before the current commit
Okay.
using the git CLI. Want help?
Uh oh, my face broke. Oh wow, it really broke. Well, I guess we're going camless for the rest of this stream. I'm not gonna try and fix it. Let me see here. I just want to see what this looks like. I have not opened this up in forever. Where's my portal at? I doubt my drivers are right.
Uh, yeah, probably not. I don't know. I
I
don't know what
mean,
you did with it, so I
that's
can't.
fair. It's been. Yeah, no, okay. Portal Object Manager. Right, because I was using the input system like a crazy person. Device Manager. I just want to see if this still works. Driver. Update driver. Oh, wait. Which one was which? Which one was I supposed to use? Was it libUSB?
No, send a screenshot of all the driver options. I'll see which one I'm using. Oh no,
Alright.
I don't have a portal here, so I'll just see which one I recognize.
No, you're good. Let me... It's not gonna let me do it, will it? Let me check to see if it lets me paste it.
Uh,
Okay.
it's USB input device,
USB input... Oh, okay. I can do that. I can do that. I got it.
I
That
believe.
screenshot sucked. What the heck?
Oh, I was following along on your stream, which is heavily delayed.
Oh. Oh, and it worked. Here we go. Boom. Alright,
Hey,
cool.
oh, by the way, if you ever want to send screenshots of a specific part of your screen, Windows Shift S.
It normally does that automatically for me. Like, normally it lets me
Uh,
do the highlight. Like, I set it to be default. Let me do the drag thing.
ah,
I don't know why my keyboard... Actually, oh, man, now I wish my camera was working. Alright. But my keyboard's broken right now. I, like, have all of my key... Like, half my keyboard is, like, on the table in shambles.
Oh.
Okay, interesting. So
Oh,
this is
by the way,
read write.
want
This
to
is
know an insane statistic?
what?
Uh, over the last 3 months, on average, I've received death threats once a week.
Why?
I work in roadside assistance,
Oh shit.
uh, because during the holidays, everyone's car breaks down, and I worked in replacement transportation.
Okay.
Uh, and if people are not happy,
They'll just not.
they make that clear. But you
Yeah.
know what's fun?
What?
If they say stuff like that, we can stop helping them because they violated their agreement.
Oh shit. Okay,
Yeah.
that's cool. No, that's a nice way of like.
So I
Well,
kind of just laugh whenever they do.
you're like,
And
okay,
it's just
bye.
it's a it's a funny statistic without context.
All right, I just got my Swap Force portal, which was in the bowels of my drawer. Hmm. Yeah, it's still not really working.
Yeah, probably
Right, because it's doing
cracking.
the stupid thing you were. Yeah, no, you're
Yeah,
right. It's because it's doing the thing you told me that I have to go do. I am a freaking idiot.
yeah.
All right, let me do that real quick.
Want help reverting to the last commit? I can do it using CLI.
Yeah.
Just
How do I do that? I'm an idiot.
open the folder, close the Unity project first.
Yes, I did.
Okay, then open the folder the project is contained in. And
I
then
gotta
I'm gonna
reclone it because I
set.
just deleted it. Um,
Oh, you deleted the whole project. Oh,
yeah, I'm bad. I'll go to the GitHub website and then go back one and then copy that.
yeah, that's also possible.
All
I
right.
could have just sent you a single command to do it. Just reset to the second to last commit.
Okay. It is cloning, and then we can do a thing.
Okay, I'll send you the command.
Thank you so much.
I just run this in CMD in the folder with the project.
All right, cool.
Maybe you could even do it visually using GitHub, see it, using the GitHub
I don't have
program,
Git
but I don't know.
installed. Give me one
You
second.
don't have Git installed.
It's a
You
new
could probably just
computer.
do
I
it.
I just reset it.
Uh,
My
if you
my thing got burned. It's not my
if you go
fault.
to history in the GitHub thing, you should probably just be able to do it
That's probably true, but
without using.
I
Yeah,
should
I
have
didn't know
Git.
you used the GitHub app, so
Yeah, I'm a weirdo.
nah,
Also, that's a great
nah, it's
point,
just a
actually.
preference.
If I go into here, I go to history, and I go back one.
Yeah, that should be fine, or at least
Wait,
it
this is
should
still
work with
testing for
Swapforce.
this one?
Then you have to go back a few probably.
Added basic comments, delete library, added image, new readme for project, add readme, portal color picker. This one.
Uh, add basic comments should be the last one working.
Add basic comments. Okay. What about the one where you deleted a library?
Uh, when? I'm not even
You
seeing
made a
that in
commit to
the.
this, and I merged the branches.
I'm not seeing it in the hist. Oh wait, I'm in the wrong. Never mind, that's my mistake. Delete library.
No, you're fine. I know that's
Give it a
deleting the
second
Unity
to
library,
actually load.
but I'm just gonna go back to add basic comments and see what happens.
Uh, oh no, that one is fine.
Check
You
out.
should go back to update readme. That's the most up-to-date one.
All right. Oh, okay. This one. Add basic comments. Added. Update new readme. No. Update readme.
Yeah, that's the one that
All right.
should
Cool.
be the most up-to-date. Not including our methods of testing.
Oh. Come on. This one. Check out commit. Check out. All right. How do I create branch from commit?
No, you should be able to.
Is it just
I
done
don't know.
already? I don't think it did it.
Uh, could you maybe share your screen because your stream is so delayed?
No, you're fine. Yeah, I get it. Let me do this one. Go live. We're gonna kill the internet. Heck yeah. All right.
Nah.
Back to GitHub. Honestly, it probably is
Okay.
faster for me to just pull it from the GitHub website and just download it.
Yeah, probably just go to the
Let's just do that.
correct
Yeah.
commit and do that. Yeah, probably better.
And honestly, I may merge the branch into the past so that way I can just.
Yeah, force push it. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
cause it doesn't.
now I
Interesting.
get it.
So commits update README from 6 months ago.
Yeah, that's the one.
Ah, it's verified. I love being verified.
Then
Okay.
browse files. No, you were in the right place. No,
Oh, I was.
click on the and then view browse files on the top right,
Browse files. Oh, I
and
see.
then you can open with GitHub Desktop apparently.
All right, cool. And then
Uh, I have no idea if this works or how.
amend comment.
That's not what you want to do.
No, that's
That's
amending.
something else.
The new branch. Forget it. Let's try it. Color. Split. We're being very descriptive with our.
This is gonna go horribly. You should probably just download the zip for now.
You are right. Code download zip. Me making it so much harder than it needs to be.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I'll create a. I'll see if I can just create a fork and just force push and merge, so it's back to a workable state.
Yeah. Oh man.
Oh, I already have a fork, of course.
Yeah, I could go back to the one of the old versions where it was one portal at a time, but at least the portal worked fully.
Yeah, but
But
here it also works just only with. Uh,
yeah, let's add desktop Vortex engine with a lot of stuff at the end of it. Open Unity 6 because I hate myself apparently. Continue. Minimize. Alrighty. Cool. Thank you for helping me again. Oh my lord.
yeah, no problem.
This is where like I seem like a real idiot. Is I'm over here like, oh yeah, I can just like
Taking advice from the guy who just turned 18.
Well, you're fine. I've I work at a place where I teach kids how to code, and everyone is. I'm helping people who are 26 down to 14 down to 5. So, and that doesn't bother me too much at all. All right, color test. Run. The driver should be fine. Heck yeah, it works. Okay. Awesome.
Okay.
All right, disconnect that for a minute because I got to untangle my wires.
Ah, god damn it. I
And then
can't
I re-
contribute a reset.
you can't. Oh, you can't.
No,
That's
it needs to happen on your end.
okay. Well, I think I have a way of doing it, and I can do it
Yeah.
in a minute. I'm going to get an NFC card, and I want to show you the D&D thing I did.
Ah,
So, because this, I remember this now. I put a card on. I name this Jimmy. I write it. Write to Toy 1. Okay. And then I stop the game, start the game. And of course it doesn't work.
unplug and plug it back in.
Yeah, here we go. Read. Read from Toy 1. Nothing?
It does not, in fact, work.
Shut up. That's so mean. Oh, that's horrible. Well, I guess we're moving on to coding Skylanders for today, I guess. Let me see what we got here. So, at least when I go to the color picker, that one works. Again, with the portal. Oh, I know why. It's because I'm turning off the status command. That's actually a good point. How do I... That's an issue. I didn't think about that.
What?
So last time I did this, I came across an issue, and I'm remembering it now, and I thought it wasn't a problem, because it may be the way I'm coding it, but I'm starting to realize that it may not actually be the way I'm thinking. So, the portal... I'll go to the color command one for now. So, when I go into the portal, and I actually go ahead and I do stuff like activate it and all that, whatever, but then I turn off the program, the portal is no longer sending packets. And because it's not sending any packets, it'll never get recognized again until you unplug and replug it. Because...
The portal... Do you disable the portal? Because if not, the portal is still sending packets.
Really? Interesting. So,
Yeah,
I don't think I do disable
if the portal's active, it constantly sends status.
Okay, let me make sure I am... Oh, wait, you know what? Let me go into here.
Also, the way Unity, I believe, works, it shouldn't matter as long as the portal is plugged in.
I don't think that's exact... Because, like, I just replugged.
Damn, I think I know the issue, maybe. Oh. Let me take a quick
Oop, that's the wrong
look
code.
at all your code.
Also, this is in dire need of me rewriting everything and actually, like, you know, contributing to society again.
Yeah. Yeah, it might be the way you... You have a Unity editor menu item somewhere, it seems.
A Unity editor menu item?
To add a portal.
So, when I go to my input, there's
Portal Object Manager?
My input manager, and then I have join.
No, Portal Object Manager.
Portal Object Manager, what the heck?
An object in your scene.
Ah, here it is. I am an idiot.
Doesn't have a menu item. No. Where do you set the portal device script?
Portal device
Which
script.
object has the portal device script?
Nothing. So this is not a mono behavior, so it's not an object. This is a input device, which is here. So I'm looking at the 6th byte.
And why the hell is there a menu item in it?
Oh, you know why? I know why. If I go to tools, add portal device.
Does that do anything when you click it?
So
No,
let's say I stop and I
agree.
restart the game. Oh, I see what you're saying. Wait, you see how my portal's still on? Add portal device. No, it doesn't do it. No, yeah.
No, because there's no code in it.
Oh, well, that makes more sense. I'm an idiot.
Makes sense.
Oh, man. Okay, so... Really, there's no... That's really funny,
Nope.
actually. Why the hell is it there, then? I know why it's there. It's because
I
I followed the HID, like the custom input device thing, but...
Yeah.
Oh, initialize. Okay. Maybe I do, like, new portal state or something? And just run it? I don't even know.
Well,
Let me try that instead. Boop. Nope, nothing.
no, I'm gonna take a quick look at it. Because I think when on startup you're just not checking if portal's plugged in, but I don't know for certain that that's the case.
See, that's the weird thing with the input system is that it's not like running on a script in your main menu or your thing. It's like...
Oh god, yeah.
Yeah, so that's where I get problems because I realize that, like...
Maybe the join behavior should be join players when button is pressed?
Let's try it. Oh, I see what you mean. No, I see what you mean. All right.
Because technically, don't you treat every byte as a button
It
in
worked.
your code?
It worked. You're
Okay,
right.
right.
Because when I stop the
There's no
game,
stop and
hit
start.
play, and it immediately pops open.
Oh god damn it. Called it.
Now here's the thing. Let me grab my other portal, my other Swap Force portal. Oh, you know what? No, this isn't Swap Force, isn't it? This is the Imaginator's portal.
Technically works the same, I think.
I hope
I
it
think it's
does.
technically a swap force portal.
All right, cool.
I'm pretty sure they just used that stock.
All right, so then I have this one. I have to update the devices because I haven't done that for this one. Driver, update, pick, scroll down, USB device. No way.
Yeah.
No, I remember now. We fixed it already. Both portals are working. We don't need,
Yeah.
in a nice way,
Those are
we
both
don't need the
Swap Force
text
portals.
head code. This
Those
is
are still
working.
swap force portals.
Right. No, we do need his code. I'm being an idiot. You see, I'm not
Those are
remembering.
swap force portals.
Okay.
Swap force portals are known to work.
So we
don't
do
know
need
why
his
they respond to the other. Do you have another portal from another type lying around?
I do. I have. That's Xbox. That's Xbox. Here is. Okay, well, here's the problem. This is a superchargers portal, so that's not going to help us. I have. Okay, wait. I do
Supercharger.
have.
Oh, those don't have color. Yeah.
Yeah. I do have. Oh, I have a trap team portal right here. Oh, perfect. Give me 1 second. My desk is a disaster. All right, let me crawl under my desk and plug this in. I'm running out of USB ports.
It'll be recognized, I believe. It just won't change color.
And then if it does, we know that it is fixed, but it really shouldn't work.
It really shouldn't.
All right, Spyro Portal. This one is Trap Team.
It's recognized.
Okay,
Does
wait.
the color change?
Wait. I don't think it does. Okay. Setting you to... you are now yellow. You are now yellow. No, the color does not change.
No, I figured. That was the issue we encountered.
Yeah, so...
it's recognized, it just doesn't work.
Now, here's the cool thing. Let me unplug the other two portals. Stop the game. Start the game. And when I go into the input manager with this portal object, and I go look at... where did I do it? If I go into not portal device, input, edit asset. Oh, here it is. Now I'm getting.
What are you looking for?
There is a thing with the UI. Sorry, no, with the input that you can actually look at the input debugger while you're doing it. Like it'll actually show you what the portal is sending back. I have to remember where it was. And my old videos didn't show this side of things, so I don't think I can just Google it.
No, because I
Here it is.
didn't know it was a thing.
Input debugger. The first portal device is fake. The portal device 3 is the one we have right now. It is currently doing things. Here we go.
So it is sending responses.
Yep. And then going back.
Because that's how it's intended to work.
Yep. Go into debug.
And that's how we can detect quote-unquote button presses.
Yes.
Because it's sending data. And you treat all of them as buttons.
Yep. And then
for
now
some
I do this.
horrible reason.
So... yeah, I don't know why. This, I believe, is just status. I don't think it ever actually...
No, that's all coming in. That's the state of the portal, so that's correct.
Yeah, but it never... it's not activated or ready. Right, because...
yeah, because it never receives those commands.
You're right, I see.
So that's all as expected.
You're right. Okay, crap. Which then takes us back to the portal device, which is where we were supposed to be. These are the issues where we get the things like the portal state.
Yeah, and that 4cc is maybe try making that HID 0.
All right, I just did.
You just
Wait, was it
uh,
HI zero?
no, no. The zero. It might be. It's probably not.
All right, I'm gonna try it.
But I know HID zero is just a slightly different meaning. But it might no. It doesn't work.
No, yeah, it doesn't like it. However,
No,
it
because
could.
it's not a valid 4CC.
Yeah.
So
So
HID is the correct one
yeah,
without the last one.
I'm gonna
Or
just
with?
do that because I'm an idiot and I just want to see it fail. Give me the failing code. Yeah.
Yeah, it fails.
So
No.
yeah, it's HIDO. Um,
No, it's just HID.
HID. Sorry. You can hear
No
my
problem.
idiocracy. All right. However, the portal command is HIDO.
Yeah, and that's the 4CC we want to know what to do with. But uh, there doesn't seem to be. They don't document the possible types
No.
for some reason, and it hurts. I want it to work, but I'm not gonna reverse engineer Unity.
No. That's my job.
No, not even your job.
Let me see here. So,
So HID zero is correct.
yeah. Right, and we kept no, I remember now. And I kept coming back to the point where I kept having to have the like DLL file, and I kept not wanting to do that because like I kept like digging into how deep I could go.
Oh, mine. Yeah, my DLL file
Yeah,
for
and
HID.
I mean it works, but it would never let me use two portals.
Yeah, because
Not
it
written.
could be modified too. It's just not written to
Yeah.
do that by default.
Also, like you said earlier, the DLL was not written to work in real time compared to the input system, which is. So this is running
Yeah.
at max performance,
Well,
right?
it could be modified too.
That's another good
Nah,
point.
could it?
We could
I don't
try.
Honestly, I really want this to work now. I'm invested.
Yeah. Now, I know this weekend I'm ripping all the Skylanders models, and I got to finish the Mii Maker kind of like on my school stuff. However, like in
You do want to get back to this one day, yeah.
it's not even one day; it's more like 4 days from
Soon,
now.
yeah. Oh, oh, I'll see if I can get something from Dextat. No
Yeah.
promises. I don't. I'm not even 100% sure they did get
No,
it
yeah.
to.
I just heard someone
do wanna
say
try.
maybe, so it's not like a.
Yeah, that was me.
Oh, well, that makes sense. No, I would say worst case scenario, we can just.
See if we can use
Yeah.
HID API in my code. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Best case, I bang my head against it, and maybe there's some little thing that I did wrong, like the thing you told me to do with the thingy. Oh, with the portal object manager when and that just worked.
Oh, that was just a guess because I read you treat them all as buttons. So
Yeah.
whenever a button changes or is pressed, quote unquote.
I'm going to attempt to say your name again, because someone
Oh
asked.
god.
I'm going to try.
Marijn.
Marine. Marine?
Funny because there's you just pronounce the A and the I different, which is so interesting because your English doesn't know those sounds.
Oh man.
So
I'm gonna try and get it down. I still want to make it work.
it's funny because the A and the I sound are just not in
Maran. That sounds worse.
better kind of.
Maran. Maran.
Okay, now it just sounds like you're talking weird. No.
Yeah. Marine? That sounds just English
Honestly,
me saying it wrong.
Yeah, that's just the how I pronounce it in English too. It's
Yeah.
honestly I listen to so many variants of my name in Dutch that it's not even.
Yeah.
Most people just call me Mandarin, even though my username is Mandarin.
Me calling you Michael?
Yeah, okay, that one was
That was a first.
neighbors.
Oh no.
Yeah, Michael was a first. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
no problem.
Man, it's...
Kind of sounds like meringue. Someone in your chat said. No, it's not French. Ugh, yeah, don't you insult me.
Did
Can
I
you
say?
ban that guy? No.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
There's a guy in chat who says
No, bad.
France.
Bad. Math's here. Hey, Math.
Hey, Math.
I'm
Ban
gonna
the guy who
cry.
said France.
Oh no, the guy that said France is just bad. No, I'm joking. You're awesome, but still.
No, I don't.
Ugh.
It's Dutch.
Dutch. Gotta love the Dutch.
Yeah.
Man, I
Way too
hate that I
small
can't.
for the effect they had on history.
Mm.
Oh, they are French. Even worse.
Even worse, my lord.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm from one person to another. I am sorry. That's so
Yeah.
bad. Okay, so it understands that this is a portal, so it's not an issue with the device. It's
Oh, 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 oh!
that I triggered something.
I'm looking at your screen. Ooh, there might be something.
Oh
It might be using the wrong interface.
no! Wait, are you saying this?
It might. I don't know.
Let's see.
I don't know what other options there would be.
It could be HIDO.
No, it's just an HID interface.
No,
Oh God, but this isn't documented for shit.
no. Unity. What's it? Device interface.
Because with interface
1.10
tells you what interface to use, but
interface.
what are the documented?
HID raw input X input.
No, then HID is the
Yeah.
closest matching.
Input device matcher. Yeah, no. So it's like with interface.
No, it's
yeah.
It should just be HID.
Yeah.
I thought maybe USB or something, but no, there are 3 options documented.
No harm in trying.
Why is this such a nightmare?
Yeah, it is a nightmare. It is a very big nightmare.
It's too bad the one guy who created it is just it's been unmaintained for years. Their new input system hasn't
Yeah.
been maintained in years, which is just like their docs are I believe 2019.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
No, you're right. Yeah. Because I'm looking at input system 1.10.
which is the latest, and
Yeah.
it's at 2019.4 plus. Yeah. So it's 2019 is the last time this was updated, which is crazy. Like,
Ooh, what's
The
input system
new-
low level?
yeah, I looked at that.
Mm.
That's just I don't think it lists a few commands, but nothing we can use.
Yeah,
It doesn't
okay.
even list the HID command. The HID 0. It
No,
doesn't
yeah.
even list it.
Yeah, that's not gonna help.
Yeah.
Dang. Yeah, because
Yeah.
because I don't think it's the device matcher because this already works.
No.
Because the portal shows up.
Detects the device. It's the protocol used to send the command, which
Yeah.
we know because I used Wireshark to look at that.
Yeah. So then, okay, try activated start quarantine, activate portal.
Yeah, it's no issue with the way the protocol Unity uses, but how do we set that?
Execute command. Execute. Wow, I can't spell. Execute.
Execute is building function.
Why? Who's telling me?
It's in the portal read write. Oh, can I look at the? Oh, we
Pick
have
a
definition.
definition, please. Go to definition. Cannot navigate to a symbol under the caret. Just go, please. Just do it. Okay. I input state.
You're looking at I'm looking at the execute command function. Just
Oh, okay.
device command. Ah, damn it, we're getting external. Yeah. Those are defined externally. Go to implementation. Yeah, no implementation found. Come on. So no, we can't from their code. We can't infer what it should be. Sadly. Although,
Here we go. Oh man.
give callback first shot.
State info, and then dang it. Portal state, portal command. Ah, command info. Boom. I'm being an idiot. Boop. Boop. Enter in assets input system impact all. Here we go. This one. Command info. Input that system dot low level.
Yeah, no, that's not it.
Yeah. So then input system dot low level though. Input system low level. Utilities, observables, state.
No, I'm pretty sure it's just.
HID.
Wait, it isn't.
Whoa.
Whoa! Oh,
HID?
whoa!
Hi.
Whoa!
Okay, so
Where did you find this?
this is in. So when you scroll down a little bit, there's a thing called packages, input system,
Yeah.
plugins, HID. HID
Plugins.
scripter. Wait, whoa, what is HID support? Without this module, HID is on the platform where the support HID is native block backend. However, each supported HID requires a layout specifically targeting its product. Okay.
Oh.
Why is this commented out? HID editor.
Also, why is it just not documented?
Yep. HID
Oh.
usage. Generic supported HID uses.
HID parser.
Let me go to execute. No, nothing. Execute command, input device. Oh, right, we go to the input device, and then that's where you get to do stuff. Okay.
Yeah, this.
HIDD, HID, HIDS, HIDP. What are those?
Oh no, those are report size. Report descriptor sizes.
Hey Tyler, how you doing? Okay. So
Oh, but what's HIDD? No, that's the report descript. No, God,
Report-
those aren't what we were looking for.
Let me see what we got going on. This is a weird situation. Okay, so sure.
I love it. In the HID class, HID support is currently broken in 32-bit Windows standalone players. Consider 32-bit Windows players unsupported for now.
Wow.
There's a lot of to-dos.
Wow. This sucks. Disable the warnings. It's literally Unity is disabling its own warning system.
Honestly, so do I.
I mean, okay, yeah, but like it's Unity. Why aren't they just I mean,
Yeah.
I understand why this isn't the top priority, but like what the heck? What the
It's
heck?
their new input system. It should be.
Yeah. Okay, HID parser. What is that?
Yeah, I don't think it's anything we can use.
No. Report size. Ah. Fun.
Oh, we got report types.
Report types?
An HID element descriptor. What the? Oh, nope, not what we're looking for.
No.
Never
HID.
mind.
Control. Report type, HID collection, physical application, logical report, named array, usage switch, modifier switch. Okay. Message ID, serializable.
No, this all isn't what we're looking for.
No. Yeah, this isn't necessarily.
This is all just defining how Unity should work with them, but it doesn't contain anything about executing the commands.
Execute command. Oh, input device, the actual idea. Okay, where is input device, the script? Input device, the script. Execute command. Here we go. Unsafe long, where T command struct. Alright, this is the...
No, I looked at that. It ends up referring to an external C or C++ function. Sadly.
Extern. This is a
I should just hit up text head before we try and figure this out.
No, yeah, that makes the most sense.
So I'm gonna do that. I also need to leave in like a bit because I've got a final get together with people from work this summer.
That's fair. I also probably should be doing some other stuff too. Actually, wait, it's 12. I already missed my class. Yeah. It's fine. Well.
You missed your. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. This is way more interesting. No,
Sure.
there wasn't much due today. I put it was like an online submission for homework, so I should be fine.
Yeah.
He records the lectures.
You did submit the homework, I'm assuming.
Yeah, no, it was like I had to do a stupid like PDF this morning and like take pictures and convert it. I know there's easier ways, but I'm lazy.
Because you're studying computer science, or?
Yes, computer science.
Ah, nice.
Heck
So am
yeah.
I, Donna.
Return.
Starting this Monday.
Okay. Heck yeah. Device.execute command. What the heck?
Yeah, it's all. No, that's correct. That's how it's intended to work. That's just how we use it internally too. It just abstracts a lot away.
Oh, okay, I see.
There's nothing weird about that. We also execute the command.
Okay.
But those all aren't what we want.
I want to figure out where that extern thing is, because that's really interesting to me.
Oh, you just keep control clicking the execute command.
Or unsafe long. Okay, manager device command callbacks lock for changes. Manager device. Okay, manager.
Yeah, so at the bottom it calls a different execute command. And control clicking that brings you to the definition. If you keep doing that,
Oh.
like you're already seeing S instance, which already it doesn't have a true definition.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because it's already an unsafe interface.
Yeah.
It just contains definitions for the function, but no actual implementations.
Yeah.
And given that's S underscore instance, that tells me it's a C++ object. Because that's not their
Device.
style in normal C#. Yeah, there is no implementation. That's the definition.
That is it.
Yeah.
I hate that.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, sorry. We're doing Skylanders Unity portal stuff. That's also very not descriptive, is it? But I'm bad at this. Man.
We're trying to get the right protocol to be used by Unity, but it just doesn't. And it's just so badly documented and unmaintained.
Yeah. Input device runtime. Device ID. Command. I'm so like confused why this command pointer isn't why is this working for some portals and then it's not for others? It's the same command, right?
It's working. It's sending the command
Okay.
over the wrong protocol.
Right, okay, I see. Dang
So it shows up in Wireshark, the portal just doesn't recognize and handle it. Except, for some reason, swap ports. Which it shouldn't.
Vicarious Vision has decided to just not use the USB spec.
No, uh, yeah, I get that they kind of do, uh, but also kind of don't because control transfers are meant to change settings about about a USB device and not the general. It's not meant to be used to interact with the general functions of the device.
Yeah. Is there a way for me to search the code for the entire project? I'm sure there
Probably.
is.
It's called Notepad++.
Code search. Here we go. Um, damn, I forget exactly what I was gonna do. Not device command. No, control transfer.
Oh yeah, those are probably not going to be mentioned at all.
Transfer instance. ID.
Why the hell are we looking at macros?
Data perform param. Input device. Here we go. Returns a transfer specific return code. Negative values are considered failure codes.
Yeah, probably not what we're.
On configuration.
What's the function it documents?
It is execute command.
Oh god damn.
Device to control on
Yeah.
Windows and that. Okay, there's a little. It works similar to way to that one. Okay. Shadowcaster instance. Yeah, these are all the same. Name command. Data for the command performed. I'm gonna. Can we go to this? It's input command. Input device. Execute command. It's this one up here. Here we go. Param name command, obviously. Yes, okay, cool. Struct, cool.
Yeah, no, it returns it. It's just the return code of did it execute correctly.
Yeah. I also don't think.
Wait, it works similar to device I/O control?
Device I/O control?
Yeah, that's the fun. Oh, huh. I/O control code. Oh, I know this. I know this. But that's not something used in the command. So it works similar, but not the same way. Because that's what that function is what I use in Skylanders Toolkit.
Oh, really? Wait, I'm gonna pull up your toolkit real quick. I think it's not this. Here, this one.
In Portal Lib.
Portal Lib.
Wait, do I?
Portal
yes,
Lib.
Portal Connection.
Portal Connection, and then we go do execute. No, I'm being an idiot.
Here, I'll send you the link to the file, and that's the right function, which is what
device to control. This is the thing that I had before.
I know.
721301. Is that what it is?
That's a combination of some other shit that I found online. It works, but that's not something we can pass to Unity.
No, it's not. Okay, so then, well, yeah, okay. So then my question is, when I go back to here, okay, kernel 32. Where is kernel 32 defined in your Portal Lib?
It isn't. It's using pinvoke. It's a function from the kernel. It's a function from Win32.
Oh.
The Microsoft documents it. Here, it's basically just me calling a native function. I sent you the link of the documentation about it.
Thank you. Visit site.
It's the same as Unity links.
It's it's the same one. Device to control. So basically, we need to figure out how to be able to use this command.
Basically, but
without using.
I don't even know. Yeah, and it's not. It's just I don't think Unity supports it this way. But I'm gonna send text add a message.
Allocate device ID. Not this one, right? It's over here. device command, input device command. So right, and then it over here, not here, here, parser. Oh no, I'm losing it. Returns negative value. This function uses device specific. It works similar way to target blank on Windows. That and that. Use the image. Import the function from DLL. Yeah, but we don't want it from the DLL. Well, I don't want it from the DLL.
No, because then we'd have to get Unity to give us the device pointer, which is never going to do because that's internal. And Unity doesn't want you to touch its private internals. It's sensitive there.
Also, if this could potentially work on anything but Windows, that would also be a win.
No, it wouldn't.
It would not be a win? Why wouldn't it?
Oh no, it wouldn't work on anything
Oh, damn.
else.
Well, worth a try.
This is a Windows-specific API.
Well, I mean, like, on the Unity side, but I see what you mean.
Oh, like that.
Like on Mac or something, because it has the other one, but I see what you mean. It's not going to let us happen.
No, it would probably use the same protocol.
Device...
So...
Device to control... on Unix systems. Okay. Okay.
Okay, I sent text that a message. Maybe they'll give us the answer, maybe not.
I can see maybe they modified this code. Yeah. I can see how they modified the internal.
Yeah, I can see that happen.
Because you can modify this. Like,
you
test,
can, but
save. So, like, and it compiles and it's not happy with you, but it's happy. It just doesn't want you to do it. But it'll be happy to, you know, not tell your mom.
You could. But if you do that, you'd have to specifically commit the files, and it's probably going to create issues.
Yep. Also, that's a really good point. You can't just commit the input system to GitHub.
No.
It's just like, whether it's not allowed or it's just hard to do in general. Like
it's hard to do in general, and if you do, it's probably going to give you errors about checking if the package is correct.
That's also, yeah, that's fair. Actually, I didn't even think about that.
Even if you modify that one file, yeah.
You need to do like an override.
Honestly, I get the hate for Unity. Sometimes it just works.
Oh,
but
yeah.
whenever you do anything slightly more advanced than getting a character to walk around, it shits the bed.
Yeah. I also feel like it kind of has to do, like, you also have to add that most people using Unity are kids that are trying to be game developers. So it just adds
or
the, like...
indies.
Yeah.
Although those are mostly moving away from Unity.
That is
true. They were using Unity.
Now,
oh God,
yeah.
I know why Silksong is taking this long.
Yeah.
They're just porting to a completely different engine.
Yeah.
Imagine.
It's crazy. Man, okay. So... interesting.
Yeah, we're not gonna figure this out now.
So, okay, yes. Just a pitch. Maybe it is possible to use the DLL, but also to use the Unix version, so that way it works on Apple and Linux. Because there's also the I/O control function that works similar to device to control.
Yeah, but I/O control once again is a specifically Windows function which my code relies on.
I see. So, like, I wonder that. Yeah. No,
because
sorry.
HID API, the one I'm using to connect to the device and everything, also just correctly listens to the HID protocol. So I had to work around that because HID API also didn't have a function to send a control transfer.
Okay.
Basically, it's a nightmare.
Yeah. It makes this a miracle that it worked on this many systems.
I gotta be away for a second. Be right back.
No, yeah, you probably have to go, but anyway. Not navigate to the symbol under the caret. And This is crazy. Input device.
Okay, I'm back again.
All good. Oh,
I
man.
gotta go in a few minutes.
No, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, I sent TextHead a message. Maybe they'll respond with something useful. I'm not sure. Either uh, either not willing, which is also completely fine. They're not required to do anything, or just they only got Swap Force to work.
No,
I'm
yeah.
just
But I swear that he had... Oh, well... Didn't he have a YouTube channel? Or did he take that stuff down?
I believe they took all that stuff down.
Oh, man. Filters for channels.
Meh.
No, not that one, not that one.
Yeah. No, you're probably not gonna find it this way.
No, I'm not. I have so many tabs.
Also, we kind of should let TextHead alone for the most part.
Oh, no,
'Cause
yeah. I don't
they-
want to mess with them, and I don't want to... But...
No, that's. I know they've got some shit going on. I don't know exactly what. I'm not gonna ask.
No, yeah.
I know they're one of the most friendly people in the community and do some great work.
Well, I guess until then we're pretty stuck. But that's okay. It's kind of where we were.
Yeah. Well,
Thank you, I
have fun
appreciate
with
it.
missing your classes. I'm
It's fine.
gonna head out.
Alright, see
I
ya.
really do want to talk to you more because I really like what you're doing and you're just great to talk to.
You are too. I appreciate you wanting
Yeah.
to stop by.
No problem. I'm probably gonna get drunk for the first time tonight.
Heck yeah, go for it. Do it. Alright, have fun.
Yeah, have fun. Bye.
Bye-bye. Alright, that was fun. Alright. Alright, so, now that we're back, we kind of got down into the drilling for Skylanders, huh? Well, I guess I should probably either stop this, or we can keep trying to bang our heads against it. I actually don't know which one I want to do. Device to control. Unity input system device to control. Yeah, there's no way you can just access this. If I go to my portal, not this one, if I go to my code, well, I say my code, Marine's code. Okay. Device. Unity USB. Unity USB. Device to control. Yeah. IO API set.h. Win32. Yeah, it's part of Win32. Using Windows or Win32. Do you not exist it? COM1, yes. Let me see. I doubt we're gonna get any real answers other than just waiting, and that's fine. But I am so into it now. Yeah, I know. Worth a try. Anyway, let's go back to the Mii Maker. Oh yeah, P invoke. Oh man. What's this? Okay, still kind of P invoke. I will try and deliver the I want die me to your DMs. Although I feel like we may not be able to finish that today, only because there is so much left of that Mii Maker to do. Oh my lord. You should install system memory. Okay. Interesting. Can you just .NET add it? Yeah, alright, I'm gonna close a bunch of this stuff. Let's go back to the Wii U and the Mii Maker. Oh my lord, there's so many things open on my computer right now. What have I done? What have I done? Close this. Oh man. Close this. That's just the music that I paused 3,000 hours ago and never went back to. This is the bad Mii Maker that we don't care about. That is OBS. We don't need PowerShell anymore. We can close that. We can close this and this. Okay, back to Unity. I probably need to head to school in a minute here. But since we're already this far, we might as well go farther. Because who ever said anything in moderation? Alright, where's my camera at?